IG word family, replacing the initial sound. Ig. We will be placing a B in front of the ig. Big. We will be replacing the B with a D. Dig. We will be replacing the D with an F. Fig. We will be replacing the F with a P. Pig. We will be replacing the P with an R. Rig. We will be replacing the R with a W. Wig. We will be replacing the W with a Z. Zig. We will be replacing the Z with the TW. Twig.